Okay, so this is Brent again. Brent breaking boxes. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see me breaking more boxes. Today I got the Topps Turkey Red. 3 of them. An autograph rookie card in every box. These are 2014. So that is Odell Beckham Jr.'s rookie card year. So be nice to get an autograph Odell. We'll check it out and see what we get. Watching the Packers get destroyed by Atlanta right now. I know the Great Lakes are filling up a little bit more water for all the tears that are crying right now here up in the UP. All Packer fans. Speaking of which, we got a Richard Rodgers rookie card, Packers. Allen Robinson. All name team Darqueze Dennard. Got a Connor Shaw rookie card, signature, Browns. Another rookie card, Davante Adams for the Packers. And CJ Fedorowicz, another all-name team. So that was a nice first box. See what kind of signature or memorabilia card we get in our next one here. Greg Robinson, he's a big old boy. Jimmy Garoppolo, backup for Peyton Manning. AJ McCarron, and this looks like it's a kind of a miniature card, a mini card. John Brown, wide receiver for signature card. And that's all I see for rookies that I really know. So, pretty good boxes so far. I like to buy boxes I know for sure I can get a signature memorabilia card in them, because that's always a good chance, you know, you might get a good rookie signature. Jordan Matthews, wide receiver from Philadelphia. Timmer, once again. Jason Barrett. Calvin Benjamin rookie card. Bradley Roby mini card. Logan Thomas autograph card. Jeff Janis from the Packers. So that's it for the 2014 Topps Turkey. I didn't get an Odell, but I think I got some nice rookie cards. And it's 44-15 right now, so maybe the pack will have a comeback. Stay tuned. Bye.